Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring plants' mineral nutrition. So let's dive right in. Our journey begins with the superstar, the chlorophyll. This magical green pigment is found in plant cells and is essential for photosynthesis. But did you know that chlorophyll alone cannot sustain a plant's growth? There is more to the story. Just like us, plants also need essential nutrients to grow and thrive. But unlike us, they cannot go shopping for groceries. Instead, they absorb nutrients from the soil through their roots. Let's meet these nutrients one by one. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is like the building block of life for plants. It helps with leafy green growth and is vital for the production of proteins and DNA. Phosphorus. Next up, we have phosphorus. This nutrient is responsible for strong root development and energy transfer within the plant. Potassium. Potassium, the third hero, plays a crucial role in overall plant health. It regulates water uptake and is involved in photosynthesis and enzyme activation. Calcium. Just like it's crucial for our bones, it's essential for a plant's cell structure and stability. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a vital role in chlorophyll production. Without it, our superstar chlorophyll wouldn't be able to work its magic. Sulfur. Last but not least, we have sulfur, which is essential for the formation of amino acids and proteins. Now that we know the essential nutrients, let's see how plants find them in the soil. As the plant's roots venture into the soil, they release tiny chemicals that act like messengers, calling out for nutrients. And like magic, the nutrient particles in the soil respond to the call and move towards the roots, where they get absorbed. Plants need nutrients in different quantities. Some are required in large amounts while others are needed in trace amounts. We call them macronutrients and micronutrients. Our superstar nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, are macronutrients, while the others like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are micronutrients. When plants don't get enough of these nutrients, they start showing signs of nutrient deficiency. For example, if a plant lacks nitrogen, it may have yellowing leaves and stunted growth. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.